Guys, I'm gonna do the funny YouTube sound. I have allergies. Okay, so my voice might sound different. I have allergies, but I'm still posting. Okay, let's do that funny YouTube sound better. I just found this on the floor. Okay, let's do it. Guys, I heard something in my basement and I'm really scared. Here. If you came to kill me, clap your hands. And you better run, you better do what you get.